Hello my loves, it's Kasha Planarista 101. So today we're going to be creating a spread in my journal. It is the La Fleur sticker, La Fleur planner I should say. I'm so used to saying the sticker. So this is the previous week, so this week, and we're going to be decorating next week, which is January 23rd through the 29th. I am going to be using a sticker book from a collection called Hello Winter. So I'm going to go ahead and add those into here really quick. So welcome winter, this super cute book. Their images are super cozy and beautiful, so I wanted to go ahead and use it. If this is your first time joining me, welcome. I hope you like it here. If you have been here before, welcome back. I'm so glad you're here. And thanks for choosing to spend more time with me. As you can see, this book is very cozy. It has beautiful images, lots of blues. So I wanted to do something different and still blue, I think. Maybe blue and teal. We'll combine those. Let's see. But I wanted to put this winter time up above. We are predicted to get snow this week, so I think this is very appropriate. This is such a delicate banner because these are individual, so I don't want to rip them. So I'm just removing them very, very gently, as you can see. So once that's done, it's going to go up on my page. Also, if you guys have not entered my humongous giveaway, please do so. I think this one will be actually more than one box when I ship it. It's so big. So if you haven't entered, please do so. The giveaway ends on the 28th. I will link it up here so you can enter. But let's go ahead and continue with the spread. So wintertime, I think it's so cute. Okay, let's see. So I'm gonna be working with this blue color and maybe teal. So I'm gonna add this beautiful sweater right to this side. And the wintertime sign is actually silver foiled. So I'm gonna be playing with both of those colors and kind of mixing in things. I think that might work well. So I'll add these little cute socks up here and so on. And again, because this is my journal, there's no rhyme or reason. I just do whatever I feel like and write around it, right? That's what journals are, at least for me. So I'm gonna go ahead and add all of these blue elements to complement each other, and then I will work other things in. I'm gonna add these skates. I think they're so adorable. And then let's do a couple other things. So I'll add this tan sweater too to offset these. I want them at angles. I don't know why I don't want them straight, but I don't. And it says sweater weather, which is perfect, right? Let's add a hat. Chill out. It is chilly out. Okay. Up next, my friends, up next, let's look for a couple more of these dark, beautiful blues. There's some houses that I could put in. I don't know if I want that. I want more of a cozy style spread with hats, sweaters, hot mugs, stuff like that. So I'm gonna take a couple quotes from here as well and the colors that I'm using, and we're gonna kind of sprinkle them across the page. So bear with me as I do this. For this little book, it is packed with stickers, you guys. They are very, very affordable. I think when they have a sale, you can get them for $6.99, I want to say. So very, very affordable. Okay, now I'm going to go ahead and add earmuffs. Let's see. Couple other things. So I'm gonna add these little shoes. I think they're so cute, and they have both the brown, the dark blue, and the cream. And then snow, much fun. winter sparkle, snow day. Let's add this fun in the snow. And one more. Let's add that all here, all bundled up on Sunday. So I think that will be good. So let's go ahead and keep going. See what else I can kind of put in here. Maybe I can add some flowers from like the blue Live Love Posh book and offset those blues. I think that might work, but let's take a look. So let me see. I do like these. Maybe I can finish this page and kind of sprinkle them in, because what is my spread without some flowers in it, right? And then I am saving these other ones maybe for February. We'll do a little bit more winter in there. So we shall see. We have been so fortunate with the winter weather up here this year. It has not been brutally cold like it normally is. So normally this week is like the coldest week of the year, and it's not horrible, so I can't complain. I mean, it could be a lot worse since I'm in the Midwest. Okay, so I'm just adding these florals up here. Look how pretty. I think they really do offset the blue in the spreads and kind of pull it out. Plus I love flowers, you guys know that. Okay, so I'm gonna like drop this in right here. That's good actually. It placed itself. It picked a place for itself. I like when that happens. I don't know why, but I do. So let's keep going. Let's cut this one in half. I'm gonna kind of add this, let's see, maybe right here. And then on the top, like on Tuesday, the little pizzazz maybe right there. I was thinking that, but okay. That will work on Wednesday and one more on Tuesday because it is kind of naked up there. Okay, so I think that is good, right? I mean, it looks pretty good. Let's add that right there. I think that works. And let me see. Where shall I add this half? Maybe right here. Maybe if I lift the skates, I can put it under. Okay. Yep, I think that's adorable. Now I can go ahead and move on with the rest of the stickers. I don't know if I necessarily want to add any more of these. Maybe just like a strip of washi or something to set it off. Let's see. Maybe I can add this hat and these gloves to kind of add the pizzazz to the spread. So let's add this little hat up here. Let's see. Like I said, this sticker book has so many cuteness in it, but I just only am making one spread so far with it. So we shall see what else. But these little sticker books are from Recollections. So like I said, if you guys like little books like this with images, this might be something for you. Anyway, I'm gonna add 2 more little banners with snow in it. And then maybe some snowflakes throughout. That might be a cute thing. I'm gonna put "It's cold outside," "Live cozy." Let's add this hat maybe right here. I'm gonna add snow kind of encircle the mug like this. Add this little blue candle. Look how adorable. Oh my gosh. This little hat right here. I love it. And then the snowflakes. I think that works so well. Super, super excited to do this. I think it turned out so cute. So now I can just add the snowflakes, the touches of elements. These are teal. So it's going to soften up the spread a little bit. So a little tip, if you have a predominant color like I do, that dark blue, if you offset it with something light like a teal like I will, it's gonna soften up your spread just a little bit, because right now it looks very dark, but when I add little things like this, it's going to be much softer. Like it just adds that little sparkle of softness to it. Okay, so I get that. I think that looks pretty good, to be honest. And now I'm gonna go ahead and put this back and see how it looks with the discs. By the way, if you haven't noticed, I did change to my expander discs. So that's what that looks like. And now I'm going to be using the Narrative Hues tapes. She used to be Girl Boss Anna, but they rebranded to Narrative Hues. I think it's so beautiful. So I am going to put these on top of the dates. Like I said, I want my spreads to look a little bit different than everybody else's. So I'm combining a couple few elements. I mean, if you guys want to create something similar to me, please do so. If you want to copy me, please do so. I just want to be creative in my own way. That's what makes me happy. So I'm going to go ahead and add all of these little tapes that are blue onto the top to bring in the dark and the light blue, because it has hues. It's like that kiss cut, so it has dark and a light blue, kind of tying everything together, especially with the Live Love Posh florals. Anyway, so I'm gonna go ahead and fix that one really quick because it didn't go on correctly. And the tweezers I'm using are the Cricut tweezers. They're from the Cricut tools. I really like them. They're really skinny and long, so they're very convenient. So let's put that, 2 more. And then I want to add just a slightly bit of washi to frame some of the stuff. So look at that. It's so wintry. I love it. Let me know what you guys think. I'm always interested to see what your reactions and thoughts are about this. So I'm gonna pull out this little washi and see how it goes. I do keep a bin of skinny washi on my desk, as well as all of my Narrative Hues tapes, because I use them quite often, especially for work when I'm highlighting something. I think it does wonders. Okay, let's see. Okay, too dark. Nope, that's not what I'm going for. So let me roll this up and put it back. I'm not gonna waste that one. It is beautiful, just not for this spread. So I'm gonna put this back. I know it's a mess, but I have so many washes, it's gonna have to deal. Okay, let's see this teal. No, I really don't like these match. Maybe maybe the one with the dots. Let's see. It's like stuck with the other one. Let's see. Oh, that's actually a really good match of teal, especially because I added that dark blue to the dates. I think this might be a good thing, especially with the little dots. It kind of looks like snow, so I think that might be super cute. Okay, let's put this on. I will go ahead and just rip this. I have a ruler. I don't know where my stuff is, you guys. I'm about to reorganize all of my stickers, so if you want to check this out on Instagram, I'll be posting a reel, but I am getting ready to do this. It is going to be epic, at least for me. So here we go. If you guys want to guess how many sticker books, like value pack sticker books from the Happy Planner I have, please do so down below. I think I would like to hear you guys' opinions. Anyway, thank you so much for joining today. I think this is the end of my spread. After this, I'm just gonna highlight one more thing with this and I'm gonna be done. I think it'll be a good way to kind of round up my spread. So just adding this really quickly. I think it's such a lovely washi. I'm so glad I found it. And then I'm just gonna go ahead and add this like next to the hat, maybe up here instead. Let's see how that will work. Well, I actually like this a lot, so I'm gonna add that. And then I'm gonna put that back and call it a day. Thank you so much for joining me. I hope you guys had fun, and I'll see you soon for another plan with me. Thanks for joining. Bye.